Hi guys, in this video, I will teach you how to create a new table using MS SQL Server 2008. So let's begin. First, we need to know what is a table. A table is where the data is stored. A table is composed of different columns and rows. A table column are responsible for storing many different types of data like numbers, text, dates, and even files, while table row is horizontal record of values that fit into each different table column. A database can be composed of hundreds of tables. Here is an example of a table. A table name student information, student ID 001, 002, 003 is a column, while 001 Australia Pului M, BIT City is a row. So that is an example of a table called student information. So we need to create a new table in MS SQL Server. Then to create a table using MS SQL Server, we need to use the database that we created lately. So I'm going to use UDM as my database name because it was the database that I created. So use space the database name and then press F5. Then there you go, it was completed. After using the database, we need to type create space table space the table name student information, then open parenthesis, then the variable name. I'm going to use student ID as my variable name, and the next one is the data type. I'm going to use int, then not null, meaning it will not accept values that is null. Then identity 1, 1, meaning it will start on the number 1 and increment by 1. Then comma, meaning we are going to do the second variable. So I'm going to use the last name, varchar 24, meaning it will be composed of 24 alphanumeric or 24 characters. Then comma, first name, varchar 24 again, then middle name, varchar 24 again. Oops, I will not add another comma because it will be the end of my table. Then I'm going to close it now. So after that, press the F5 key or the execute button. There you go. It was completed. So now we need to see if we've just created the table. We must select it first. So type select space everything or all from what's our table name, and I'm going to use student information because it was the table name I created. Then press the execute button and there you go. Student ID, last name, first name, middle name. So we've just created the database and a table. And now I'm going to insert a single record in the table. To insert a record, we must type insert into space the table name, student information. Then I will not going to use student ID because it is auto-generated. It is an auto number. So I'm going to use the last name, comma, first name, comma, middle name. And values are Australia, comma, Pului, comma, Malbeda. So to insert a record, this is the syntax. Then press F5 key or the execute button, and there you go. One row affected. So we must select again the table. To select the table, we need to type select all from the table name, Then there you go. Press F5 key. Student ID 1. As I told you, it was auto-generated. Then value of last name is Estrella. First name Palui and middle name is Malveda. So there you go. We've just created a table and we've just insert a single record in it. So thank you for watching, and I'm going to create the next tutorial for this MS SQL Server 2008 tutorial. Thank you for watching.